Hi guys, I'm teaching you these things so that you should own your calculator. You should be familiar with your calculator so as to save time. Guys. Um, I just wanna teach you the usage of that divided R thing. You see, guys. Now, if I wanna divide maybe 12 by 7, I won't get it. Let me say, like for argument's sake, I want to divide 16 by 7. I'll have a remainder, right? So the longest method, you're going to say 16 divided by 7. So you'll be getting your decimal thingy, eh? Then you must subtract 2 and multiply back by that 7 to find your remainder. Let me repeat. You subtract the whole number, you multiply back by that 7 to get your remainder. Let me show you. Minus 2 multiplied by 7. And then you're getting your remainder, which is 2. You see, guys, that's the longest method. But the simplest method is this one. You say 16. You don't use this divide. You use that divide. You say shift, you say R, and then you press your 7. You see? 16 divided by 7 rand. I love 7, guys. I love the 7. Tomorrow it's next month on this day it's my birthday. So let us say equal. You see? So 7 goes 2 times and the remainder is 2. Just like we just saw above. Having a calculator is so much fun, guys. And knowing how to use your calculator is way cooler. You see, guys? Okay. So now, guys, I want us to go to the setup. Since you see setup is yellow, to go to setup, we gotta shift and then we set up. Yo, guys. So those are the options on your calculator. But I like to use Meteo, and then I use Meteo. Yeah, it's the coolest option, eh? So you gotta set up. This is a digit. This is a red there. And I don't know what is the gra mean, ne? I haven't learned, but those are your radians, ne? Those are your radians. But since you guys are using your degrees, these buttons will never even affect your calculations. You see, guys, they'll never affect your calculation unless you are doing your sine cos london. You see, when you're doing your sine cos, they will affect your calculation, just because now when you're going to say sine 30, when you are speaking about the degrees, your calculator should be in degrees. So if your calculator is in radians and you're pressing sine 30, you'll be getting the wrong answers, guys. You'll be getting the wrong answers. Before you even press your calculator in the exam room, make it a point that you refresh your calculator from scratch. How do you do that? You press the shift button, you press clear. This is clear, you clear information. So you shift, number 9 is clear. 9, you clear your calculator. So you want to set up, you want to clear everything. So you're going to press 3, which says all. 3. So when you're done, you can just say yes, using the equal sign is equal to yes. So you have resetted your calculator. Now it's clean. You can, you are ready to go to your exam, guys. You are ready for exam. So now your calculator, like for instance, even if your calculator was in, so it's in radians, ne? So you press, so now it turns back to degrees. Yes, guys. So let me go where I was going. So this sky thing, it's scientific notation. You know, guys, when you're doing physics, you'll be dealing with those large numbers. You see, guys, you'll be dealing with those large numbers. Maybe you'll be dealing with like for argument's sake, you'll be dealing with those large numbers. Bonano, you see, it's 2 times 10 to the power 9. Yep. So, guys, those you're going to do them using your calculators. You see, guys. So let us say 2. Oh, again, guys, you can say 2, use these times, and then you use your 10, and then you use that raised to something 9. You see, guys. Or you can say 2, and there's this button over here. You press it. You no longer press the exponent button. You just press your 9. So it's one and the same thing to save time. You see, you just press 2, you press this button, you press 9. 3 buttons rather than pressing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons, 3 buttons. You save time.